Y'all, hell yes. Welcome back. Welcome back to the channel. Hell yeah. We're in the Honda. This is the one, dude. This is the one I'm thinking about selling. It's been fun, dude. I mean, I got it when it was just a stock B20 NA non-VTEC. Got it as a commuter car, and then people finally talked me into turboing it. So it's B16 head, GSR cams, head studs, Walbro fuel pump, DSM injectors. It's got a skunk manifold. It's got an eBay turbo manifold on a 3076 twisted motion turbo. Around 300, I would say, a little less, maybe, but it is only on like 10 pounds, so yeah, we're about to run out of fuel, so going to get some fuel. Gotta go get some bolts for this thing. Got some titanium studs made for it, so Vivid TI is actually what it's called. So we're getting some fuel. We're gonna head up to his shop, and I'm gonna grab those bolts on this, maybe one last time, who knows, we'll see. Gonna go get that premium pump gas. So if you watched my last video, thanks a lot. You probably know what I'm talking about. If you don't, probably go back and just skim through it or whatever you gotta do. You'll see what I'm kind of planning on doing. So get some fuels, some petros. That's one good thing about this, dude. I can fill this tank up and I can probably drive it. If I stay out of boost, I could probably almost make it last a month. I don't drive a lot though. It's just back and forth to work. So, and then I also drive the G8 on the weekends and stuff when I can. Like today would have been a good day to drive it. I drive it so much, I try to go up to the right side for fuel. So, we are, Tennessee, we're at, yeah, no gas. That's what that means. No fuel. We're gonna put some fuel in it and I'll show you what it is. I'll just put 20 bucks in it. Go from there. So that was $3.05 a gallon, gave us, it's probably gonna go just over half, maybe in between, just takes a while to catch up. Anyways, kind of see, I'll drive on that easy for 2 weeks, easy. My new project, if I get that one, we're back to like 13, 14 miles a gallon in town, but my wife seen that I wanted it, and she has the EcoBoost Explorer. She was like, oh, I'll just trade you. So her drive to work is super short. It'd be fun to make her a car. Cam that thing, make it nasty, and then she could drive it. Do a nice little rip for you guys right here. Why not? We're on the snow tire, so it's a little sketchy. It wants to pull like right and left, but yeah. Be a second gear start. Quick little rip. She's fast, dude. She's fun. It's a fun car, for sure. love the sound of a turbo car, dude. So sick. More like 12 pounds. Guess I lied. Alright, dude. We're back. Look how quick this changed, dude. We're talking like a 2-hour swing from like where I was filming last time. So, hell yeah, we went up. I got the titanium bolt kits for the Honda. And dude, I'm super excited. So, I'll show you guys when I get back what they look like, how many I got, and where they're all gonna go. So looking forward to doing that video. And like I said, we're gonna get the car cleaned up, get the bay all cleaned up, and install those and do a before and after. So I'm super excited. I'll show you guys what those look like when I get back to the house. And yeah, this is gonna be kind of boring just driving in so damn dark on the way home. So, oh yeah. To it. All right, so we got back home. Never mind the mess in the shop. I'll get it all cleaned up. We're gonna clean up the whole engine bay. Everything done so we can actually get it. Probably gonna change the fenders back up to the stock just so it all matches the stock paint, because I do have those, but I got them over there, kind of see. But yeah, put those back on the car. And then we did pick up, super sick, these are all the bolts to I'm going to do the manifold, or the exhaust manifold. I'm going to do the intake manifold. I've got enough bolts to actually do all of the body bolts, and actually got these two. These are actually the strut nuts up here. We're gonna do those. Pretty much got a kit to do most of the bolts on this car, so big shout out to Vivid Titanium. Obviously they're gonna be sponsoring the next video that I'm gonna do, actually installing these things and actually seeing what the difference is. So you can actually see right now, I mean, it's just a bunch of just basic bolts right now. And we went with the gold. He does a lot of other colors. So yeah, I'm looking forward to that. So definitely hit up Vivid TI if you can. Like I said, we're gonna get this bay cleaned up and get all these swapped out, and then show you what the difference is. It's just one of those things, really adds to the engine bay of the car. And then obviously being titanium and being resistant to rust and things like that. You can kind of see some of these other bolts. They're, I don't know, even the ones, they just look janky, you know? So, you get some of these, they're like an aluminum, you got some paint chipping off these ones. You know, like these ones are all rusty. So he pretty much gave me a kit to get a bunch of this stuff done. So, pretty excited to do that. So, we even got the ones for the hood up here. We're gonna do those. Yeah, so looking forward to that. And then just more and more with the channel. So stay tuned. Excited to do that. Like I said, we got all the studs here for the manifolds. We've got these guys, and then we got these top bolts. They're actually gonna go up top up here. And then, like I said, we got the strut nuts, and then we got all the body bolts to actually complete the car. So like I said, it's the car's dirty right now, so I'll get it all cleaned up, get the shop cleaned up, get some lights set up, and then should look pretty damn good. So big shout out to Vivid TI. If you guys are interested in the product, let me know. Hit me up in the messages and stuff like that, and then I'll put the links to the Instagram and the page and everything like that for you guys. So hell yeah, looking forward to that. So hope you all have a good week, and probably be doing that video next. So yeah, I'll be excited to get to that, and yeah, super cool, super sick. It's gonna look pretty good on here. So if you guys are looking to clean up your engine bays and stuff like that, definitely stay tuned. We'll be putting all those bolts in. So hell yeah, peace out, have a good week, and we'll catch you in the next one.